Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on battery protection to ensure your battery lasts for a long time. So if you want to take care of your battery on your Redmi Note 14 Pro, then let me show you how to turn on battery protection. So to turn on battery protection, you want to go ahead and first open up settings. Next, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see battery. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find battery protection, tap on this. And here you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see battery protection. So to extend the battery life, the device will stop charging when the battery level reaches 80%. So here, whenever you charge your Redmi Note 14 Pro, it'll stop charging at 80%. So this way it will extend your battery life. Press home. And that is how to turn on battery protection to ensure your battery lasts for a long time on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.